Want to know how to access the Instagram map feature in Instagram? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Instagram application. And once you have done that, make sure you are logged in, and right here you should be seeing this DM option right here on the top right side. So you can just simply select it. So once you selected the DM option, here you should be seeing your current location that should be off under your node right here. So right beside it, you can also see the new feature that is map. So you can also just simply select it, and now you can also share your location. Just simply select next right here, and right here you can see search for friends, invite friends, or just simply share your location to everyone by selecting everyone right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily access the Instagram map feature in Instagram, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.